So I'm just trying to clear shit what these kids are talking about me right now. Since few days basically. Hi Ash, how are you? And yeah, that's it, because I'll just wait for a few people who want to join, and then we're good to go. Meanwhile, how's everybody doing? Are you all watching the episodes? Hi Ari, what's up? How are you? Can you all not hear me? As in, am I audible? Hi Aman. Drama. Lipstick and blush. This is a Lakme shade. Yeah, Monica, I'm kind of okay. I'm trying to be okay. Okay, so first of all, you all must have seen Suzanne, basically, your sushi. She went live and then उसने बहुत चीज़ें बोली. So first of all, I want to clear one thing. जो उसने बोला कि ज़लक आकांक्षा के पास गई थी BYOG के बाद, just to tell her that please मेरे साथ एक फ़ोटो ले ले ताकि मुझे बहुत हेट मिल रहा है तो वो थोड़ा सेटल डाउन हो जाए. I'm sorry, no, we met at Urfi's party. At that time, I spoke to her. We actually said hi, hello, कैसे हो, कैसे नहीं, क्या चल रहा है, and then I initiated the conversation like, buddy, whatever's happening between you and me, people, or whatever narrative जिसको जो बात करनी है करते रहे, but you and me know that we do not have any bad blood between us, okay? और उस दिन भी मैंने कोई फोटो या वीडियो नहीं ली उसके साथ. First of all, FYI, I just told her that जो fans कर रहे हैं, keep it to the fans itself, because you know you and me do not have a bad bond. In simple words, that's the conversation. First conversation I and Akanksha had. Secondly, and she was also like very very chill कि अरे हाँ ये तो होते रहता है, it's fine, ऐसे ऐसे करके. So she also took it in a positive way. ठीक है, because of course people are spreading shit about me कि मैं आकांक्षा को बोल रही हूँ, बल्कि मैं ये चीजें उसको बोल ही नहीं रही हूँ. So it was my part to clear those things with Akanksha, because even she should not think else, like कुछ और नहीं सोचनी चाहिए. Second thing, yes, I'll come to the sewer wala part, buddy. Just relax. Let me clear things out here. That's the reason I'm here. ठीक है? So just give me some time. Second thing, हम मिले अभी at Society 2 के launch party में. At that time, हम मिले, हमने वीडियो भी ली. मैंने बोला ओ गॉड, पीपल आर गोइंग टू गो क्रेजी अगर तुझे और मुझे साथ में वीडियो में देखेंगे तो. दैट्स द कॉन्वर्सेशन व्हाट आई एंड आकांक्षा हैड. दे विल बी लाइक, अरे उनको एक्चुअली पता चलना चाहिए कि देयर इज नो बीफ बिटवीन यू एंड मी, इन सिंपल वर्ड्स. ठीक है? एंड जो भी बोल रहे हैं कि आकांक्षा की वजह से क्लाउड ले रही है, भाई मेरे को क्लाउड लेने की जरूरत नहीं है. मेरे पास ऑलरेडी बहुत काम है. टचवुड, भगवान की देन है कि आई एम एटलीस्ट वर्किंग एंड आई डू नॉट नीड क्लाउड फ्रॉम एनीबडी. ओके, सो ये जो तुम फॉल्स नैरेटिव जो भी बकवास फैला रहे हो, प्लीज जस्ट स्टॉप इट, बिकॉज people are actually getting depressed. It is affecting people, and we have a life as well outside the show. I have my family who's seeing all of this shit, so let's just not go there. So I and Akanksha had a word about it कि yeah, I'm too much obsessed with Akanksha, buddy. What are you going to do? Tell me. I'm obsessed. I'm crazy behind Akanksha. So I and Akanksha had a word that day, और हमने वीडियो भी ली. हम चिल कर रहे थे, हम सब साथ में थे और हम एक्चुअली मस्ती कर रहे थे, बिकॉज उसकी और मेरी नहीं हुई है लड़ाई यार. तो क्यों बेफालतू का सब जो लड़ाई करना चाहते हैं, करवाना चाहते हैं, मत करवाओ. एंड वन मोर थिंग विच सबने देखा कि BYOG में ज़लक ने बोला कि मुझे आकांक्षा तो कुछ खास पसंद नहीं थी. ऑफ कोर्स दैट इज आफ्टर when she and Gaurish became an ideal match. Of course मेरे दिल में रहेगा कि कोई और मेरे बंदे के साथ ideal match बना है. whatever is in the show, that's just related to the show, guys. So अगर मैं बोल रही हूँ कि मुझे पसंद नहीं थी, क्योंकि मुझे थोड़ा तो कुछ फील होगा ना. मैं भड़की नहीं गौरेश पे. आकांक्षा को मैंने एक शब्द नहीं बोला पूरे टाइम. I did not say even a word to Akanksha, even in the show or outside the show, that guys, that Akanksha, why did you choose Gaurish or whatever it is. Because मैंने बोला I'm nobody to question Akanksha, instead I need to question Gaurish. But मुझे कुछ थोड़ा सा बुरा तो कभी लगना चाहिए ना लाइफ में. That's it, and that's the reason I said मुझे वो कुछ खास पसंद नहीं थी. Because of course वो मेरे बंदे के साथ मतलब आइडल मैच थी. I would feel a little bad, right? At that point of time. That's it. I guess वो कोई भी लड़की feel करेगी, सभी लड़कियां feel करेगी, I feel. And let's come to Suzanne, who said the sewer wala part. I mean, bro, do you have any proof? Audacity, that girl literally texted me on Tuesday, are you coming to Shreya's party? Who was so good to me, who met me like last month also, and she was, अरे हाय ये वो तुम इतनी जो अच्छी तरीके से बातें करती हो, तुम्हारे पास लाइफ में कुछ और है काम apart from making content with your ex and your current one? Do you have any life? Actually, do you have a life? Buddy, just get a life. ये तुम जब ये सब तुम लोग नहीं देखोगे जब वो okay, what she mentioned is that Zalak called Akansha a pig. Okay, I called Akansha a pig. Is there any proof? I'll give you all what exactly has happened and what is not happened. ठीक है? तो हम कोई मैं स्पॉइलर नहीं दूंगी. इट्स जस्ट हम चैलेंज करके आए थे और वो चैलेंज में इट वाज थोड़ी लड़कियों में भी थोड़ी भसड़ हो चुकी थी सबके बीच में. ओके, एक्चुअली लड़कियों में थोड़ी भसड़ हो चुकी थी एंड ऑल द गर्ल्स वर सिटिंग अपार्ट फ्रॉम आकांक्षा बिकॉज देयर वाज समथिंग व्हिच हैपेंड. दैट्स द रीजन. इट वाज जस्ट ऑल ऑफ अस. इट वाज मी, सैंडी, सदफ, everybody, even Niharika was present, Asmita, everybody was present there, Suzanne को लेके भी. And then अचानक से ना we were having a conversation, we were talking about the whole challenge part, and पीछे से कोई तो विला के वहीं एकदम आगे, I guess कोई तो animal गया, like a wild bear, wild pig or something, and हम सबने देखा and we were like हम actually डर गए और हम अंदर की तरफ जा रहे थे. और तभी ये जो सुजैन बोल रही है तभी उसी ने ही आकांक्षा की मजाक उड़ाई थी. इंस्टेड शी इज पुटिंग ऑल द ब्लेम ऑन मी एंड ट्विस्टिंग द स्टोरी. बड़ी मुझे कोई शौक नहीं किसी को पिग या कुछ बुलाने का. एंड लेट्स नॉट टॉक अबाउट सुअर. जब अस्मिता ने हमारी पूरी अलायंस को या गैंग को सुअर का झुंड बोला था तभी तो किसी ने मुंह नहीं खोला. दैट्स फाइन. इफ अस्मिता, निहारिका, आकांक्षा, लेट्स एक्सक्लूड आकांक्षा, आकांक्षा डिड नॉट से एनीथिंग, सुजैन ये सब कुछ बोलते हैं दैट्स फाइन. बट अगर हमने जो चीज नहीं बोली सॉरी हमने जो चीज नहीं बोली उसके ऊपर भी ऑल कम एंड टॉक टू लाइक लिटरली इतना अटैक कर रहे हैं लोग फॉर नो रीजन जबकि ऑल डोंट इवन नो व्हाट एग्जैक्टली हैपेंड देयर. एंड जस्ट गिव मी 2 minutes guys. And people are saying Akansha never said bad about you. I also did not say bad about her. I just said मुझे वो कुछ खास पसंद नहीं थी. Plus, it is because as I just cleared कि of course मैं अगर कोई लड़की है मेरे कनेक्शन के साथ तो मुझे उससे क्यों लगाव होगा यार. Common sense है guys, isn't it common? I am not blaming Akansha. I did not even blame Akansha in the show or outside the show at all. कि तू मेरे कनेक्शन को लेके गई because I respect her as a woman and the way she is, she portrayed her and Yogesh's bond very clearly to Goresh. It's simple words. I questioned my connection, which is Goresh. और जो मैंने बोला है BYOG में, it is just that I clearly mentioned one thing. I'm not talking about Akansha. It's Akansha's fans who are just talking shit about me, Kaira, Preet, Khushi, whatever it is. Because अगर आप लोग को नहीं पता कि हम actual में कैसे हैं तो please don't talk shit about anybody here. We have a life outside the show. We are working. We need to go ahead and find work as well. So please guys, let us just have a little amount of peace. And plus the suwar वाला thing, why did nobody question Asmita when she said suwar का झुंड? और मुझे इतना बोल रहे हो जबकि मैंने तो ये चीज बोली भी नहीं है. And plus one more thing I'll tell you all. This Niharika, Suzanne जो अभी साथ में रह रहे आकांक्षा के, ठीक है, तभी जब वो लोग ही हमारे पास आते थे हम they were like कि अरे आकांक्षा तो वैसे ही परफॉर्म नहीं कर रही, आकांक्षा ये, आकांक्षा वो, अब उसको, why were they not with Akansha and sitting with us at that point of time? Understand, because even they were against her. अभी सिर्फ फ्रेंडशिप क्लाउड के लिए कर रही है तो आई डोंट थिंक सो मुझे सबको जस्टिफाई करना चाहिए. बिकॉज मैं बुरी चीजें आई डोंट वांट टू स्टूप दैट लो बिकॉज आई दैट कॉन्वर्सेशन जो हुई थी हमारे बीच में इवन आई डोंट हैव दैट प्रूफ राइट. तो मैं क्यों लोगों के बारे में गलत चीजें बोलूं या कुछ भी बोलूं मैं. दैट्स द रीजन सुजैन का प्रूफ था मेरे पास बिकॉज शी टेक्सटेड मी few days back. Like why would you just want to talk shit about somebody who did not even have that conversation. And why would I just tell Akansha out of the blue कि buddy let's just click a picture, मुझे बहुत hate मिल रहा है. It's a reality show. I know I'm prepared for both hate and love. And I'm glad people are loving me the way they are because they know who am I. Like who I am actually as a person. And you all just want to किसी ने सिर्फ एक sentence बोल दिया जन ने और आपने उस पर भरोसा कर लिया. Like yeah, Zalak might have told. And she was not even sure. She said शायद से. She was not even sure at that point of time. Because those were their words, not mine. I mean, and people are telling me you're looking so boring in the show. आप दिखते नहीं हो because मैं कैमरा के लिए नहीं झगड़ती थी. मैं ऐसी ही हूँ. मैं बेफालतू नहीं झगड़ती या मैं बेफालतू किसी से भसड़ नहीं लेना चाहती because that's me as a person. और I am very calm. I'm very emotional. I get very like clearly attached to people very quickly. और मैं emotional हूँ. मुझे चीजों से affect होता है. And here it's not about me obsessed. Did I do anything being obsessed with Akansha? Guys, let her live her life. Let me live my life. Can you all just... And just because Suzanne said one thing that Zalak ne ye cheez boli hogi, where's the proof? I also want to see the proof, no? That Zalak said this. I have a number of things to say what she said about Akansha also. I'm just not saying because फिर वो आ जाओगे वापस proof दिखाओ. And me liking comments about Akansha, that was by mistake, guys. I was liking the good comments in my section. I by mistakenly liked the bad comment. And I cleared that shit out n number of times. It's been like a month or two. So please understand that I cleared shit out. क्या है? हाँ, obviously. That was my mom. She was running. So it's just nobody jealous of anybody. Everybody is doing good in their life. I'm happy for the way everybody is getting love. So guys, please just spread love and not hate for no reasons. और आप लोग जो गलत चीजें बोल रहे हो, जिनके बीच में झगड़ा नहीं है, आप उनके बीच में भी झगड़ा लड़वा रहे हो. तो just don't do it, please, because this is affecting our lives as well. And me talking about Niharika, it is what it is. It is what it is. I don't like her as a person, which means I don't like her as a person. Simple. श्रेयस मैं मम्मी को बोल दूंगी हाय. So that's it. I just wanted to come live because it is actually affecting me when there are things which I did not even do, I did not even say. And ये instead Suzanne और Niharika इतने चलो let's exclude Niharika from the conversation. It's about Suzanne itself, that she was the one included in that conversation and she was the one who was talking about the pig wild. It was not even the pig, it was like a wild pig जो कोई इंसान बहुत wild है and did something wrong. वैसा conversation था और वही थी जो बोल रही थी ये चीज और वो घुमा के मेरे पे डाल रही है like for what? Buddy, I did not even utter a word about you. I did not say things. Instead, we were the one appreciating you always. और आगे के episodes में देखोगे आप कि मैं कैसी हूँ as a person. Because you all think I'm just not talking shit and not fighting with people. That's the reason I don't have an identity. I am in the show for a reason, right? I have my identity. I am like that as a person. I do not just want to fight for the camera, and that's something which I would never do. I just met Akansha at Shreya's like Society 2's launch and we were pretty chill. You all must have seen the video also. There's no bad blood. This is what you all are spreading. Nobody else is spreading this. I don't even blame her for that. I'm happy the amount of love she is getting. She's doing very well. और वो और आगे रहे. सबको जो प्यार मिल रहा है वो और बढ़ता रहे. That's all I'm saying. Because that's me as a person. I would always appreciate people getting love rather than hate. हाँ तो तू दिखती है शो में, then you are saying that she has not done anything in the show. Indirectly you are questioning the audience. Guys, BYOG का शूट बहुत टाइम पहले हो चुका था और तभी हमारा एपिसोड निकला था आइडियल मैच का. Obviously I would have a little amount of sadness in me because my connection was somebody else's ideal match. I cannot just directly say, oh Akansha, I like you, I love you, you're my connection's ideal match. No guys, I will have that. एक लड़की के हिसाब से भी तो सोचो यार तुम लोग. Why did I attack Anushka? I did not attack Anushka. There's no conversation. There was a conversation happened between me and Anushka after the last Dome session. She came to me. She apologized that because वो scene दिखा नहीं गया, because I clearly said I don't want to write Chaksh's name. I want to write Anushka's name. Hey Mehak, thank you so much, babe. Thank you. So I wanted to write Anushka's name because Mohit is my friend and I wanted Mohit to come out as a person he is, because it was Anushka overpowering him and it was like कि Anushka का वो बहुत सुन रहा है. That's the only reason. और वो अपनी आइडेंटिटी नहीं दिखा रहा था, बस that's it. And then she came to me, she's like, let's be in an alliance, everything. I'm like, buddy, that's something which is not going to happen. If I don't like someone, I do not like someone, that person. Like, I actually don't like that person in general also. Because after she even came live with Arav and everybody, she spoke shit about me. एक दिन पहले तुम मेरे साथ live आती हो मेरी दोस्त बनके. Don't be double standard, guys. I'm not being double standard. I was very clear from the start. These are the people I like and these are the people I do not like. If I've not said anything bad about Akansha ever, it just I said मुझे वो कुछ खास पसंद नहीं थी. तो उसमें क्या हो गया? You all don't. There are n number of people who have their choices. मुझे वो टाइम पे वो नहीं पसंद थी क्योंकि वो मेरे कनेक्शन की आइडियल मैच थी. सिंपल. एक लड़की के हिसाब से सोच के देखो गाइस. And the big thing, I am clearing this out today itself. I don't know if you want to be, because आप लोग ने सुजैन को तो एक ही झटके में बिलीव कर लिया without any proof कि मैंने ये चीज बोली होगी. But it was instead them who were making fun of Akansha as well after the challenge, and every girl was present there at that point of time. I don't think so. After this, I need to clear anything about it because you can see यार वो जितना सुजैन उससे क्लाउड ले रही है वो तो किसी को नहीं दिख रहा कि Suzanne is taking clout from Akansha, because Akansha is getting a lot of love from people and that's the reason she is with her, or she is showing her love and everything to Akansha right now. I'm not judging their friendship, but bro, तू भी हमारे साथ बैठी थी because that conversation was like that at that point of time and oh God, I don't know what else to say about that. Just a second. Add Sandy, guys. Sandy's here. Hi, Sandy, babe. So that's it. If you want to believe Suzanne, believe, because if she wants to defame me or demean me like that, I also have my ways to do it, and I will definitely do it, because you cannot spread bad shit about me when I did not do anything. Okay, इतनी ही प्रॉब्लम थी तो मुझे 4 दिन पहले मैसेज नहीं करना था ना कि तू आ रही है क्या. See, you see the double faces people have and then you all are questioning me. Like, really, bro? That's it. And the people who love me, the people who like me, the people who know me that this is me as a person, मैं बहुत इमोशनल हूँ. मैं बहुत जल्दी माफ भी कर देती हूँ. सो आई डोंट कीप एनी ग्रजेस और एनीथिंग अगेंस्ट पीपल. दैट इज नॉट मी. बट इफ देयर इज समथिंग जो मुझे किसी इंसान नहीं पसंद, वो इंसान तो मुझे नहीं पसंद. मैं कितना भी ट्राई करूँ वो चीज़ नहीं होगी. सो द पीपल हु लव मी, द पीपल हु अंडरस्टैंड मी, I am genuinely like thankful to all of them, and I love everybody. Please do not spread false narrative or hate for something which you do not even know. Because you all were not present there, what happened, what not. अगर कोई कुछ भी झूठ बोल देगा कि ज़लक ने ये बोला था, doesn't mean that's actually true, right? You all don't know, you all just know one side of something जो बोला भी नहीं है, मतलब हुई ही नहीं है बात conversation. वो खुद बोल रही है और खुद अभी घुमाने के लिए मेरे पे नाम डाल रही है just because what? Now tell no that she wants clout. ये तभी कोई नहीं बोलेगा. But please understand, people have life apart from the show. People have their family. We have work apart from the show. So just give a little privacy or some space to us as well. Because we're just not here. We did a reality show which was too much for everybody. And everybody has a life outside. So let them live their life as well. We are separate individuals outside the show. You all don't know us. आपको जितना दिखाया है आप उतना ही समझ पाओगे. आपको नहीं पता हम in person कैसे हैं. So please, before spreading any hate, and it's about everybody, every other contestant, guys. किसी के लिए भी जो ये कर रहे हो, please understand the person. वो इंसान है कैसा और फिर कोई hate फैलाओ. That's it. Yeah, Suzanne and Niharika, why are even friends? Like, शो में भी आप देखोगे आगे, if I say something then it will be like कि अरे स्पॉइलर दे दिया, मुझे वो चीज़ बोलनी ही नहीं है. आप देखो आगे के एपिसोड्स क्या हुआ है क्या नहीं, और लोग कैसे बिहेव कर रहे हैं, और जो बोल रहे हैं ना हम आकांक्षा की बहुत अच्छी दोस्त है, आप भी आगे देख लेंगे. लाइक यू ऑल विल ऑल्सो सी. कितनी हिंदी बोल रही हूँ. डू यू लाइक सैंडी? या आई लव सैंडी. Stop playing victim, bro. Bro, अगर मुझे victim बनना होता यहाँ बैठे बैठे रो रही होती मैं भी लोगों की तरह स्टोरीज रील्स या कुछ ना कुछ बना के डाल देती. अगर मुझे विक्टिम खेलना था मैं भी कर सकती थी, डिस ले सकती थी. मुझे विक्टिम नहीं खेलना बिकॉज देयर इज नो, मैं खुद विक्टिम नहीं हूँ ना ही वो विक्टिम है. सो आई डोंट नो व्हाट आर यू ऑल टॉकिंग अबाउट. आप लोग कौन सा अलग सा ही अपना बना के शो देख रहे हो. दैट्स रियली रॉन्ग. अगर मुझे विक्टिम बनना, आई नेवर डिड आई से एनीथिंग टू प्ले द विक्टिम कार्ड राइट नाउ. जब आकांक्षा गौरी शायद मैच बने तभी मैं विक्टिम कार्ड प्ले कर सकती थी ना, कि मुझे डिच कर दिया, मुझे ये कर दिया, तभी तो किसी ने कुछ नहीं बोला. At that point of time, nobody took a stand for me कि oh shit, we feel bad for Zalak, we feel this for Zalak. क्यों? तब मैंने खेला विक्टिम कार्ड. करना होता तो मैं भी पागलों की तरह I would have just yelled at Gaurish, Akanksha and do कितना ही बड़ा बखेड़ा कर देती. बट मैंने नहीं किया. रिस्पेक्ट her as a woman because of course उसने कुछ गलत नहीं किया था तो मैं उसको क्यों बोलूं. सिंपल. Are you friends with Truru? Yes, I am friends with Truru. Niharika said 8 girls Akanksha की बुराई कर रहे. Bro, she was a part of that. She was a part of that and कोई बुराई नहीं कर रहा था. हम चैलेंज की बात कर रहे थे कि क्या हुआ एग्जैक्टली चैलेंज में, एंड she actually was a part of it and talking the same thing about Akanksha. और अभी जाके just because she's friends with Akanksha she blamed everything on all of us. That's wrong, right? हमारे पास भी बहुत चीजें बोलने के लिए. just we're not saying because again the same thing will happen. That आपके पास प्रूफ कहाँ है, आप तो झूठ बोल रहे हो. बट अगर सुजैन निहारिका ये सब बात करेंगे तो बिना प्रूफ के बात करेक्ट है. जस्ट I'm not able to connect. I'm not getting the math what you all are doing here. Leave Akanksha alone. Girl, get a life. I did not even do anything to go closer to Akanksha. I've left her already. I don't know. You click pictures with Akanksha and In show you are bullying her, clicking picture for fame. Buddy, what are you saying? When did I bully anybody? भाई मैं तो किसी को bully देखा है तुमने? मैंने किसी को कभी life में bully करा हो? How will I bully Akansha when we were friends inside the show also? Do you get it? There's something happened that she was my connections ideal match. मैं थोड़ा तो भसड़ करूंगी ना उसके साथ, which means that I'm bullying her. Guys, I think the haters, you all get a life and get to know the real person. जो इंसान कैसा है, फिर जाके किसी के बारे में कुछ बोलो. Because all of this is actually affecting someone at this point of time when I've done nothing. So don't take that nature of mine as my weakness, because you all definitely need to get a life. And I rest my case here. I don't think so मुझे इसके आगे किसी के बारे में बोलना है कुछ. But thank you for the people who love me, the people who know me. Yes, Shruti. The people who know me. And that's it. Lots of love to you all. Keep showering love. And if you all still want to believe the false things and the assumptions what Suzanne has said, please go ahead and believe her. That's it. Deepika, I already have a life, buddy. That's what you're watching on the show, right? I have a life. That's my life, what you're watching. Say something about Sandy. Sandy is a very close friend of mine. She is the most funny, the most lovable person you can meet, और वो आपको हंसाती ही रहेगी. Love you, Sandy. Thanks, Anjali. Thank you so much. बोला हाय. अरे हामिद यार, तुम यहाँ पे भी यही पलक. हामिद प्लीज. यार ये पलक झलक वाला सीन तो बहुत हुआ था. You support Saundaryawala thing. I'm not supporting anything. I'm just here to clear my things out. They have their own life. They have their own mouth to clear their things. Okay? So if it is related to me, I will speak about it. If it's related to somebody else, they will speak for themselves. Add Hamid. No. Hamid, kahan ho aap? What are you doing, Hamid? कर लिया क्लियर. कब से लाइव हूँ मैं, ठीक है? मैं हंस नहीं रही. रोते रोते बस आंसू यहाँ था मेरा, बस बाहर निकलने की देर थी. सुअर क्यों बोला? मैंने आकांक्षा को सुअर नहीं बोला. इट वॉज अ वाइल्ड पिग थिंगी एंड इट्स सुजैन एंड निहारिका हु सेड दैट. दे जस्ट पुटिंग इट ऑन अस राइट नाउ. आई डोंट नो what for actually. So if you all want to believe her, I already cleared my story. क्या हुआ था, क्या नहीं हुआ था. Oh shit, मैं तो भूल गई. तुम तो द 50 में हो ना अभी. ड्रामा. You are the problem, Hamid. Okay guys, thank you so much for being in the live. Thank you for letting me clear things out. And yeah, lots of love to everybody. Please spread love and not hate. Take care of yourself.